How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Since my last video, the T960 build video, I've had a couple questions. One was basically how long did the T960 fly on the 6S and 8S batteries, and the other one was somebody was kind of concerned about the XT60 connectors that I have on the batteries. They was kind of concerned about the amperage that I was pulling through the connector. I guess they thought maybe I was pulling more than 60 amps or 60 amps through those connectors, which I know I'm not, but we'll go out in the backyard and we'll test that. We'll put a meter on there, put it in the air, and we'll also see what the flight time is as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I have the 6 cell on here, the 12,000 milliamp. What I'm going to do is get it into a hover, see what the amp draw is, and then we'll see what the flight time is with this battery. So here we go. Okay, now that that's done, I've landed it. I've put a fresh 6 cell 12,000 milliamp in it. I've taken the meter off, and now we're just going to get flight time for that battery. Okay, start her up.
The low point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Take off.
There we go. And we have, come on, focus. It's like a little over 19 minutes. Okay. All right, now we have the 8 cell in there, 16,000 milliamp. Same process as before. Just going to get the amp draw and flight time. Okay, now I've switched the 8 cells out. Now we're going to get flight time.
The low point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, so 6 cell, 35 amp, 19 minutes. 8 cell, 32 amp, and 22 minutes. So nowhere near 60 amp. So that's pretty good. As far as my batteries, I try not to fly them any lower than around 3.6, 3.7 volts per cell. I just don't really see the point. I just don't want to harm the battery. So as far as the concern with the XT60 connector, maybe back in the day when people were flying big DSLR cameras with the huge gimbals and two 25,000 milliamp 6 cells, you know, I could see, you know, 50 amp, 60 amp or whatever. But nowadays everything's so compact and efficient, you really don't see that. Unless maybe you build it wrong. Perfect. Unless it's like a movie production drone or something, then There's no telling what them things draw. But that's my 2 cents on the subject. My name's not Jay, though. If you're a computer nut, you'll get that joke. I'm sorry. That's all I have for now, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.